mak. Tiang balado Yolŋu Radio studio ngor join ngarakal interviewing go Selena Uibo, bunga ngai opposition Northern Territory government ko. Today we have a very special guest joining us, a leader of the opposition for the Northern Territory government, Selena Uibo. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me, Sylvia.
So it's been a busy time here in the Northern Territory. Can you tell us about some of the work, JAMA, that you've been doing?
Yeah, so the last 2 weeks we've been in the Northern Territory Parliament, and the Yindi Jama has been focused on the budget that the NT government was presenting for the whole of the NT, and that's the rupiah that keeps everything from government working. So for my team in opposition, we're looking at all the numbers and seeing, is it Yindi rupiah, is it small rupiah, and where is that rupiah going? Is it only to Darwin, Alice Springs, or Nulpinditj, Catherine, Tennant Creek, or remote communities? So we've been looking for the last 2 weeks for that.
Oh, so pretty important part of the government JAMA, which is in the rupiah side of the things.
Yes.
Yeah, so thank you. Yan na kung ngay lakrang al rupiah korgali korong wala ka government na malanama rally bikin wala naman na korupan ngunal bala federal area ng rupiah rally limorong NT government kung kawalyan Northern Territory government yun na kun ka across the namin ben na dyan wala tungon hindi baki funding mala yo. It's also like it's a difficult time for everyone across the world. What are some like positive things that you are hopeful for about for Yolŋu people in the northeast of Annamlan?
Yeah.
And for other indigenous Yolŋu across the territory?
Yeah, thank you. I think a really important question, because I think that's very true. There is lots of big things happening all over the world, but every day for me, and I'm a member for ANA, but also leader of the opposition, thinking about what impacts here in the Northern Territory, but especially for our families in remote communities out bush, and making sure that they're not forgotten. So we still want to see better roads. We still want to see bitumen airstrip. We still want to see Manmakwanga. So all of that work of government should still happen, even with the pressures of some of the things that are happening outside of Australia.
Ngunay kalakaram daw lemurong miyak infrastructure mala dukar ngor wanga na ngola yan bili lately na kun lemur ka gumuro dal mala maram ka ngayang ngot na mirong ngunay ka happening across the top and yakun pala niya yo. Next, so like we're both indigenous milk, female with leadership responsibilities. Is there anything you'd like to say to the next generation of Yolŋu women?
Yeah, I think so important for Mialk to support Mialk, but also making sure that we have strong leadership in community, whether it's in business, childcare, teaching, health, police, office work, making sure that, and of course in the Wanga, making sure that Yolŋu women and women all over the NT know that leadership is really important, especially for our families, for our Yothu to see strong women, but be seen in some of those leadership roles, those decision making, but getting support. So my message to any of the young Mialk thinking about leadership and thinking about maybe taking opportunity to lead in whatever job that in JAMA that they're doing, is to get support, ask for help, talk about all the different ideas, but make sure that you don't feel like you're alone in that JAMA.
Yeah, nga madamaka yo dolin malang advice nanong kong Selena ong that yakawalan na we golioro o interest matu yakalus ngunin matu na kunya lang umbiri deli di gingaran ka role doli din matu na minmak ngay dol na kung leadership kumala miyak kurong kadolin malang darok ngay grupar yo. Also na kun ads ka Yolŋu Radio is all about like self-determination for Yolŋu. What does self-determination look for you? will look like for you?
Yeah, and this one I'm thinking hard because that word, the English word, self determination, can mean different things in different languages, and I think for me, the decisions that affect our communities, our families, need to be made by our families and our communities. Is the simple way. So when we're thinking about um, how we can really make a difference for the better, there has to be Aboriginal voice, there has to be Aboriginal decision making, because our families have done it for thousands of years, and now working in with the Ballanda system, different laws, different rules, different ways, it can work, but we need to have Aboriginal Territorians have to be valued by the government, by business, by industry as key decision makers. Not on the side, not on the side, not out of the picture, at the table, making those decisions for our families, for our communities, and for the future.
Yo ngay bicara ako romi ako yangal. Nakon do walang ni nga pa ki system do lemoro darangan ka nakon to recognize your lemoro, especially the Northern Territory ka nakon ya kakawal to ka nakon lemoro ganang maram, they have to make us part of uni wala lang na rom ngura barangay system working together, self determination go rom go pili nakon ngay dole di darok ngay la karangal dangang ngay dole di nawe meli daramir nakon ya pala nya darok dole di indi yo ga dele di galing ngay nakon rom ya ko yangal lemorong. Last one. Is there anything else you would like to say and leave the Yolŋu Radio listeners with a good advice and also a story?
I think one advice would be to keep talking up. Don't be shy. Always stand up for what's right for our families and our community, even if it's a hard journey. Because if we don't speak up for our families and for our communities, we might get left behind and put into the background. And that's not going to help our families to be strong, our communities to be strong. So that's my one advice. And maybe a Manmak Dawu, I would say, is this week we had a year 10 student from Galawinku, from Elko.
Nice. That's
And
deadly.
she spent 4 days in my office at Parliament.
Oh.
And she got
Okay.
to see all of the behind the scenes. And I asked her yesterday through the ALPA Work Experience Program. I asked her yesterday, I said, oh, what do you think about this JAMA? And she says, I really like it. One day I hope maybe I could be a politician. And my heart was so happy, because if we can have more young people, more Aboriginal Territorians thinking, and more women thinking that this is a job that I want to do, and thinking from there, 15 years old, grade 10, I said, well, guess what? When I was your age, I did youth parliament, and now I'm doing it for real. So if you have that thought and thinking, could be any JAMA, but that's my Magdawu for this week, is seeing that young person from Elko, long way away from home, but feeling proud and brave and confident to be there doing her work experience with my office.
I like you. So whoever you are, that's your advice as well. Let you daw meritil positive ka nakon lemor to bala nyaro nakon jel krenir par mere strong del lemor to mainly nakon ngon maka mial korur mala nakon yurta gandar pi bala mere ya palanya nakon daily de jel krenir dara so yakka all giving up ngola nakon hope ngola nakon mala dole lemor nakon ngai advice wi kangal kangolin maka nakon dole nga mayor ng radio ngor ton yakka lenyo di pongor wanga uneli dwal. Thank you.
Ma jujut.
Jujut.